So first of all, here now, we will concentrate one word called that is Android. So that first we will see that what is Android and what are the things it is. So first of all, we'll try to address this, what is Android. So in a simple words, Android, like I'll tell you in a simple words the definition of this Android with 4 simple words. That is, Android is an operating system first. So it is an operating system. Then it is open source. It is an open source. Next, it is development environment. Last, Linux kernel. So just remember these 4 words and form the sentence using these 4 words that will define the definition of the Android. Right. So Android is an operating system. So it is an open source. Using this, we can build an applications. And it is run always on top of the Linux kernel. So we'll discuss each word here in detail, but this is the simple way the definition of Android is. Right. Now, first we will concentrate this word operating system. Operating system is nothing but it's a bridge between hardware and software, right? So like laptops also, how the laptops we are using. So the similar way it is like it is, right? So in a laptop, I'm using a Mac, maybe you are using Windows, someone is using Linux, like that. Different operating systems are available. So because of the operating system only, now whatever I'm sharing here, that you are able to see my screen as well as my voice. So like that is from the hardware to software communication that will take care by this operating system. Like this is operating system. Android is operating system for, initially it was only for mobile, but nowadays mobile, tab, TV, watch, cars, autos, like a lot of many things it is coming nowadays, this Android. So that is the operating system, right? So that is operating system of this. The next, it is a open source. So what this open source will do? So open source means this is freely available. With free of cost, we are getting. So what is freely available? This is, what is the meaning of this? Like here, we will get many things as a free of cost, right? One is, for example, let us, I'm a mobile manufacturer. So mobile manufacturer. In case if I'm a mobile manufacturer, so I'll get operating system as a free. So on top of the operating system, I can customize the next things, right? Because of that, let us consider this simple example. So today I buy one device with Android that we can say 13 with Samsung. Some of my friends buy the same device with Realme something. So then if you compare both, like hardware wise, both are same, like 8 GB RAM, 256 hard disk, like extra, everything is the same. But when we compare the both, view wise, both are different because that Samsung has customized their operating system and Realme has also customized their operating system. So that is the reason everything this should be, it will be the different things, it should be customizable. That is this. That is the one thing that we can say as a mobile manufacturer. Similar way, if I am a developer, in case if I'm a developer, so we will get development environment with free of cost. So no need to pay anything for the development environment. So that is completely we will get with free of cost. Nothing we have to get from this, or like nothing, no need to pay anything. Also, this has a huge community. So based on that huge community, we will get here many things are support. Like I want to get some coding support. So that coding support that we will get, and any new updates that we can get, the new updates, everything we can get from the developer community support. That is a huge community we have that. Right. So the next thing we have here. So next is the end user. Let us say I'm an end user. If you are an end user, free apps. So we are getting many number of applications we are getting as a free of cost, right? Without paying anything, we are getting the application. So that is here main benefit. Next is the development environment. Already that development environment related thing we already discussed here. Next, Linux kernel. So the Linux kernel is this is the first level of security for your Android application. So first level of security for your Android application. So every application must communicate through this Linux kernel layer only, because this operating system has developed on top of the Linux environment. So that is the reason it happens through this, right? So this is definition. So hope this definition is clear. Mr. Srikanth, the definition is clear. So in my sessions, what I'm expecting is that it is an interactive session. So you can also involve on the session. Like if you have any questions, you can ask immediately. Either unmute yourself and you can ask, or you can send me on chat also. It's well and I clarify your questions. Right. Hope this definition is clear. Srikanth, are you there? Srikanth, is it clear? Okay. So I can go to the next level. I think you are not responding. So the next thing here now, I have to, why you should learn this course. So I have a question for you. Why you are joined in this course? Is there any specific reason why you are learning this course? Are you there or not? Srikanth? If you won't respond, for whom I should teach the class? Okay, that's your wish. So I'll continue next step. So here the many people will come with the many reasons. So first reason is with job. So obviously, if you learn this course, you will get a job because like what is the technologies is available in the market. So every technology has the openings in the market. But if you learn this course, apart from this, you have some of the other benefits. Like that is the other benefits here. So the first one is you can create your own applications so that if you can upload in a Play Store, you will get some amount. Like how you will get and what are the benefits for that apps like this. So in your app, if you uh, enable the ads so that you will get some income. So, but how much income you will get? See, just a sample I'll show you. So very some of the silly applications I'll show you. So let me open the Play Store. So in a Play Store, I'll search one word called Frank Apps. So wait, it is loading. While it comes to apps. So I'll search with one word called Frank. So there are many small silly applications that has huge downloads. See Frank Color, Frank. So these kind of applications. Let us see. Let us take any one of the applications. Let us take this application, fake call application. So as a developer, what is saying it is absolutely correct. What is saying it is a fake call, but still the people are downloading such kind of applications. See for this 10 lakh plus downloads is there. Means there is a huge income for this application. See, small application, Frank is saying the fact, but people are installing that application. So even that kind of applications that people are installing, why if you develop some good applications, why the people can install? Definitely they can install. Like let us say my application has installed by 10,000 members. How much I can earn? So I can say like 10,000 members have installed, but regularly the 10,000 members cannot use your application, right? So there is a 50%, there is a chance, but I'll take worst 10%, like 100 users are using your application at least daily. So like 4 to 5 minutes, every user has used every day. Definitely on a month, you can get so $100 to $150. $100 to $150 means it's approximately 8,000 to 12,000 you will get on a monthly basis with small user count. If that count is increased, definitely will get more. But how many days this income you will get? This is a passive income. Like how many days the users has installing your application, you will get the amount, right? So, but I have a question. If I upload an application, people can install my application or not? If you follow few rules, definitely the people can install your application. The rules are first here. It should be secure. Application should be secure and simple, attractive UI. So UI should be attractive. Then only people will attract. And unique features. Unique features. At least if you follow this simple rules, like lot of is there, but if you at least you follow these things, definitely the people will install like a lightweight. Right. If you at least if you follow this, definitely the people will show interest of these things. Right. After this, now, so what is our course? So that our course is it's a 45 days duration. So this is the 45 days duration. In this 45 days, what we are going to discuss is we are completely discussing with advanced things, that is with Android 14. We will start discussion this because the latest version in the market is Android 14. So we will start with the Android 14, and here the language called KOTLIN, because the nowadays the market, the trending technology is the KOTLIN. So that is the reason we are discussing with the KOTLIN here. We will discuss it.